lane, I'm looking around at a real small shop, and in the corner is an MG TD, and it was like, and that was it. My kids claim that my personality is that I plunge, and I went right off the high board, and I said, that car, I'm going to buy that car. I never bought that car. I worked on it years later. I lusted for that car, and I settled in the middle ground and bought TD 28822, carrying engine XPEG TD 229-345 from Scotty Hazlett on Overlook Drive in Grafton, Ohio, 44044. Paid him $1,050. We flipped a coin for the last 50 bucks. Got that car, and it was like, wow, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. And so I drove that car. I drove the car home right away the next weekend, and pulled into the driveway. And my dad, who'd loaned me all but maybe $50 of the $1,050, comes out, looks at the car, and he goes, "This isn't the car you wrote me about." I said, "Well, Dad, I mean, it's a diamond in the rough. I mean, I'm going to fix it up. Look at this behind me. I'm one of the MG guys. You know, some people call me the MG guy, but I won't go. Not that vain. And there are other people that know as much or more than I do. They go, and they're just lots of fun to drive, and they're nimble, and they're fun. The experience the experience that you have is just tremendous. The problem today is that nobody 18 years old knows about them, and that's how old we all were when we saw them and when they were out. And now the same people that own them today owned them in 1970. So the average age of the MG owner is like in their 70s. It's a grain, even if they have hair, a grain population. It's like, how can we get younger people involved? And my approach always is, get them to sit in the car and get them to go out and drive the car, and they'll love it. It's just fun. MG driving is fun. I can't quit. You know, it's what else? I'm too old. I'm too old to change professions. MG, the mark of friendship, and it really is. The amount of jerks that I met as customers or as owners is nearly infinitesimal. It's a great car, and the people that surround it are great.